Welcome to round 6. Now it's time to start working the biggest muscle group in our upper body, which, of course, is our back. Now the best way to work your back muscles is none other than a simple rowing movement. I like to stand up when I'm doing the row, but if you're just starting out, there's no reason why you can't sit down on a bench, a step, or a chair, whatever you've got access to. The best way to set yourself up for a row is just having your feet flat on the ground, nice and comfortable, having the dumbbells by your side, making sure you keep your chest up. That'll help you keep your back straight, and your hands, keep your palms facing out, and that is the movement and the positioning that you want for when you're doing the row. When you're doing the row, you need to be tilted over a little bit to really get that feeling in your back. So what's the aim? You're trying to pull your shoulder blades into your spine. So when I pick up the dumbbells, I set myself up, I'm leaning forward as far as I can, and I'm pulling my elbows back first, which will drive my shoulder blades into my spine, and then slowly down again, making sure you do full range of movement. Keeping your head up, that'll help you keep your back straight, focusing on relaxing your shoulders, pulling your shoulder blades into your spine and straight back down. Slow, controlled movements. Feel the weight through the complete movement. If the weight is heavy enough, you should be able to get probably about 12 to 15. If you can get more than that, then the weight is not heavy enough. So don't be afraid to pick up the intensity by lifting the amount of kilos that you're actually going to be using.